How to factory reset iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. Open up a setting and make sure you are taking a full backup with your iCloud account, and you have to go your general option, and from here you need to go transfer and reset iPhone. Then you can see the reset. This is the reset setting or reset network. This is the soft reset, but if you want to factory reset, you have to go your erase all contact. Then you can see the continue. Press on continue, press on erase iPhone, and you have to enter your current passcode. Then your phone will be factory reset. So you have to wait couple of minutes. It's depend on your data size. So once complete, your phone will be start again automatically. Now here you can see it's erasing now. So let's start a stopwatch with my other phone. I will see how many times it's need. And here you can see after 2 minutes 57 seconds, my iPhone is now back again. If you open, then you can see the option. Now we have to set up newly. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.